Let me go to Google Translator. These kids are clowning on me right now. Looks like some pretty goddamn... I want to look at the chairs. Major communication issues. But this woodwork is just incredible, guys. It's just gold everywhere. The wood is just... Check this view out, guys. Cool stuff. I'm getting there. I'm 12 kilometers away from Moc Chau, it says. I'm gonna try and get a new battery for this bike once I get to Moc Chau. So those were some massive potholes. This is why you gotta pay attention at all times when you're biking around Vietnam. So I was talking to some guy at this gas station, and he was basically like, oh, your bike is good, but maybe get the oil change. He didn't really seem super concerned. So a couple kilometers up the road, I looked up a bike shop, and I don't really know where it is, but I'm gonna Google Translate to somebody in this store with the 100 bikes outside of it, and hopefully they'll give me an answer of how I can get my oil changed around here. He told me it was only 100,000 dong, which is like $4. I'm in this really, this town is super cool looking. I'm gonna take some pictures soon, but first things first, I get my oil changed. Right across the street from where I just was the shop. So he's changing the oil now. Looks like some pretty goddamn nasty oil to me. Hi guys. That shop I actually might get a helmet from, because this helmet doesn't fit my goddamn head. Kind of sucks. So I might just get a new helmet. It's pretty funny because everybody's just looking at me. So the woman that helped me at this store to tell me where the oil guy was, she was selling helmets, so I'm gonna ask her how much this costs, but there's people blocking the cash register right now. So instead, this is so much more comfortable than the other one. So much more comfortable. But instead I'm just gonna walk around and kind of show you guys what, I guess a Vietnamese household store looks like. Pretty cool. I might have to actually check these out. Looks like they're 250,000, which is about $10. Pretty awesome stuff here. We got like a little cooker thing for 1 million, which is, I don't know, that's too much math right now. $40 that is. It looks like this is actually her home as well. Some of the woodwork in Vietnam is incredible, like those wooden chairs over there. I don't want to step into her home without talking to her first. Excuse me, can I see over there? Over here? Hey, follow me. Come with me. No? I want to see. Major communication issues. Major communication issues. Can you show me this?
How are you?
Over here? No, I want to see. I want to see. How are you? Hello.
Hi.
I can't look. I want to look at the chairs. Wait. Let me go to Google Translator. These kids are clowning on me right now. I want to look at the chairs. Can I just take one for 1 minute? Just for 1 minute? Thank you, yeah. I just want to look over here. So this is like a fucking Vietnamese palace. Wow. Yeah, so this wood is just absolutely crazy. Wow. They're probably like, wow, this is crazy. But this woodwork is just incredible, guys. You won't see anything like this anywhere. It's just gold everywhere. The wood is just so insane, dude. But yeah, wow, look at that. This is all wood, guys. All wood. Incredible stuff, guys. But, oh, wow. This is all handcrafted. Wow, that's really cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, hello. All right. So yeah, this is her home. This is the nicest house I've ever seen. I probably should have taken my shoes off first. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. Okay, just this house. I should have taken my shoes off before going in their house. That was super disrespectful, actually. Especially since they're super disgusting, and that's just what you do in their culture. All right, well, I'm gonna buy this hat now. That was a little bit embarrassing, but I wanted to show you guys some of the woodwork and stuff. All right, bye-bye. Just got my oil changed. I just want to show you guys whipping through the city, or well, this little town. I really like this town. I like how it looks a lot. Bunch of little colorful buildings and stuff. To check out that market. I think I'm gonna check into my... All right, this town is amazing, guys. This is super cool. But yeah, no, so I just invaded that woman's household, Harold Balder style. I do feel really bad that I kept my shoes on, because I noticed all of them took their shoes off. I shouldn't have walked into their house with my shoes. It's just part of their culture, you know. They take their shoes off at the door. So, and I would have tipped them nicely, but I mean, based on their house, I don't think I could have given them a decent enough tip. I couldn't afford a decent enough tip to where they really would appreciate it, because I mean, they really had a very nice house, a very nice store. Like they were a wealthy family, I believe. I need some food. Yeah. So I'll be back when there's something worth filming. Bye bye.